I'm Michael from MT Sound. We specialise in audio editing, mixing and production work that you wouldn't expect. For example, drum production and editing, where we take your recorded drums and make them sound like a huge finished record. All you have to do is just send us the files and we'll do magic. We also handle external vocal production and voiceover editing. No project is too big or too small or too far away. We deal with everything in a cool, chilled way, no fuss, no ego. Get your audio fixed with us. Swipe up, click the link, or head to mtsound.co.uk.